Hi everyone, and welcome along to Stevie GTR, Anything Garage. I've got a letter came, and it's from the English hobby machinist, I believe he's called, Nick Mark. And he'd been I contacted him and says we'd do a sticker swap, so that's a sticker for the board. I'll take you up closer and we'll bob it on board and have a look. I've not had any stickers on here for a long time. Actually my board's full, so I might just stick it on the wall at the side of my board. Somebody for you to go and have a look at. He's in the UK. John's workshop. I've not heard from John for a while. He's gone quiet. As George, not heard from George for over a year. He's up in Canada. Last time he posted a video, we're over 4 foot deep in snow. So I hope he's okay. So they're my stickers. Anybody wants to do a sticker swap, if you've got a channel, YouTube channel, give us a shout and we'll do a sticker swap. So there's nothing going on this video, as in manufacturing. We're not working on TVR, we're not working in workshop, although I probably will be shortly. What I was going to talk about was that, you know, when you've got over 1,000 subscribers in YouTube, you can become monetized, and that means they put little mid-roll ads into your video. They usually last 15 to 20 seconds, and for that you get a payment from it. It's something like a penny for video or something like that, penny for advert. But I mean, I've been saving up, and I've been monetized for over 2 years now. I think November 2022 when I started getting monetized, and I'm up to, well, I won't say how many, but you'll see if you look at my channel how many subscribers I've got. But they've been paying me that much of YouTube that I've thought I'm going to save it all, because I got my pilot's license quite some time ago, and I thought, you know, I'm not going to go aircraft wise, I'm going to go as in flying, as in a plane. I've always fancied an helicopter, and I've had a few friends that have had them, so I've lashed out and bought an helicopter. So we'll take it over and we'll show you it. Ta-da! One helicopter. I won't be able to climb in it because it's a little bit too small for that. So that won't clickbait much, will it? What am I doing? What am I doing with this? This has been in my mate's loft for 20 years. Yep, this helicopter. And it's a good little thing, but I suppose it's totally out of date. It's got a few turbo controllers and things on it, but I'd spoke to him some time ago, and I'd said I would after a carburettor rather than make one for this little mess engine that I were doing. And he says, well, I've got an helicopter in the loft, and he said, I don't want it. He said, you can have it. So the deal is, he's loosened a few bits off, switches and a few other bits and bats that he wants back, but basically he don't want it. He's got a drone like I have now, pilot's license, drone. So I'm going to strip it, because in here there's a carburettor. You can see that screw there. There. That's the idle screw. And it's a little carburettor. It's attached to the crankcase of this little engine in here. I believe there's nothing wrong with the engine. I don't think there is. Anyway, I digress. I'm basically going to strip all this down. I mean, it's got 3 fuel turbo servos on there for doing all various things, and battery pack. But what is interesting is a fuel tank under there. So I might salvage that fuel tank, and that could be the fuel tank for the Miss engine, as the carburettor maybe will be. I don't know. I'm not sure about the exhaust on it. Let's have a look. Yeah, so fuel tank. Now that's the exhaust, look. We'll never know, we might even have ourselves a little exhaust there free of charge. I was going to try and make a Gold Star pattern motorbike silencer, but if it's for free, why not? A little air-cooled fan on engine. Yeah, I'm going to gut it. So I might leave GoPro running or to DJI running while I'm doing it, but whether it'll be of any interest, I don't know. Okay, we're starting. Oh, there's some more servos there. There's another 2. So it's got 5 servos on it, which I suppose being helicopter it'd have to, wouldn't it? I mean, look at all the flipping things on it. Look at that lot. There's all sorts, tilting for blades and like a blooming robot, innit? It just seems sacrilege to rip it to pieces, but he don't want it, and it's no good to me, and it's probably never going to run again. And if it did, you know, now you've got a drone, haven't you? Drones have taken over. Shame, absolute shame, but it's going to come up out. So I'm going for carburettor, possibly exhaust, and tank, fuel tank is what I want. And the rest of it I'll put in boxes, and if he wants it back, he can have it back. There's going to be lots of little linkages. which won't come out until we strip it all. So wow. That's awesome. Big T. Now then. Nice bearing. Glow plug. Well, I need to get it off. But how? I don't know. Maybe that's enough for tonight. I'd like to think I could use that carburetor. It's 2 screws. And I don't want to come out, and I don't want to strip the Phillips head. Maybe just leave them to soak. I can't believe that is actually seized. Well, it is seized, but as in seized from heat and damage, or whether it's seized with just being stood for 20 years in somebody's loft. But yeah, I'll just leave them screws, and if I come back to them afresh, more chance of doing it. Probably get them in vice. Wasn't done bad though. Stripped an helicopter down. Well, stripped an helicopter. I've got a carburetor if I can get it off intact. An exhaust if I want it, which I don't think I do. A fuel tank, which may be some use, may not. I don't know. I thought it was split then, but it's not. But that would be ideal size, would that, for a tank? Don't want to be too big. It's only going to have a bit of petrol in it. So, hope for now, innit? I'll get back onto this little Miss engine at some point. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. I'm going to edit this and it won't be out like the length. I mean, I've got 106 minutes on there. I've had that running, that camera. Obviously, I'm not going to have that much on thing. I'll just skip through. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.